Welcome back to channel. Today we will explore the concept of Union Pruning in SAP HANA, a powerful optimization technique to enhance performance by streamlining query execution in Union scenarios. So, what is Union Pruning in HANA? So, Union Pruning is a process which dynamically reduces the number of union branches involved in a query execution based on a filter condition applied at a runtime. We know that a union has a multiple sources. Source could be a table, view. So here, what with the help of union pruning, we are trying to reduce the data from the number of sources. So let's understand how union pruning works. Uh, Works in a calculation view. A union running combines data from the multiple sources. That sources could be a table, views, or other nodes into single result set. And so, what happens when we have not configured running? Then system scans, or if we are requesting data from the union node, then union running is not configured. Then system will request data from the all the branches available in the union node. Okay, so let's consider how running logic is works. So if you have configured running logic into the union, then if your system requests data, then system will try to find out the only find out data in only uh, relevant columns. No, sorry, not relevant, only relevant sources. So if you are having five tables in our union, and if your union running is configured, and if we requesting data to system, then system will try to find the data in only relevant sources. I will explain it will in next slide. So let's take an example how union running works. So we are having one calculation view. So that calculation view is having data for the year 2021, 2022, and 23. Right now we are requesting data from the union node, and while requesting we have applied filter uh, the year as a 2022. So here we know that we are having three tables as a sources. First table is having data of 2021, second to 22, and third 23. But in our queries, the filter is applied only for the year 2022. So if union running is not configured, then system will going to scan all of these three table. If union running is configured, then system will only going to scan second table, that is sales underscore 2022. So here as system is scanning only single table instead of three table, it improves the system performance. So there are two types of union running: value-based running and column-based running. So in value-based running, let's understand what is value-based running. So let's consider we are having union. In that union, we are having current data table and historical data table. And the current data table is having data for the year 2021 and 22, and historically is having 2020 and 2019. So when we are executing query without union running configured in union, then union, and if in our query we are having where clause as a 2022, as union running is not configured, system will going to scan all of the two tables, current data table as well as historical table. So here so as system is scanning two tables, so it will take more time to scan both tables. So to improve performance, we will configure value based running. And so in that value based running, as our query is only requesting data for 2021, then system will only going to scan the current current underscore data table. Okay, so let's understand how we can implement in a HANA. So you need to go to the click on a HANA view and view property. So in that advanced option you will see, and in that running configuration table. Okay, once running configuration table is open, then in that table you need to pass the table name and on which view. means like in union we will be having multiple sources, so we need to mention which source, okay, and which column. Such information we need to pass, and we can configure value based running. Yeah, in next slide, I'm explaining what is mean by column based running. Okay, let's consider in our union we are having two tables: sales order 2019 and sales order 2022. Okay, in my screenshot you can see sales column is only mapped from the first table, that is sales order 2020 19, and is not mapped from the 2020. Okay, so here why there might be in 2020 there might be a different logic for calculating sales amount, and 2019 there might be a different logic for calculating sales amount. But as of now, customer only wants sales amount from the year 2019. So here what we will do, we will here in second here you can see we need to select the column based running and focus column. Focus column means like the which column, the column which is present in a both table but only map into the from the single table. So you need to mention this column. So here what will happen when system will perform query, then it will only give sales data for the year 2090. It will exclude all the data for the year 2020. Thank you. If you like video, hit like button and subscribe to my channel.